Watch out for the tentacles! 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 Hotel accommodations was provided by Grove Hotel, Boise. Hello, Buccaneers. We are in Boise, Idaho, and we are going to show you the fun things you can do here. We are at Barber Park, and today we are going to raft down the Boise River. I'm going to go down on an inner tube, and brother and my parents are riding on a raft. This is a scenic 6-mile journey downstream to Ann Morrison Park. The float typically takes 2 to 3 hours. Brother is paddling the boat to make it go faster. Although there aren't any technical rapids, the float includes 3 small, splashy diversion drops. And here comes one of them. Here comes the bumpy part. Now I'm exchanging places with my dad and getting on the raft. Hold on to your hats. Here comes the second drop. Along the way, there are natural and man-made obstacles including bridge piers, debris, rocks, and overhanging branches. Now I'm back on the inner tube. Here comes the third and final rapid. Oh no, I'm running into some branches.
Duck! 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 Oh no! Duck!
I don't need to duck. What do you mean?
Hey, what are you doing? Don't climb out! Duck! Duck! Duck!
Duck!
All the way, duck!
Duck! Duck! And then we saw some bridges. This area is very scenic. Slow-mo. Mom, watch out for that branch. Oh no, she fell overboard.
Stop!
My mom wasn't able to reach us, so brother and I drifted away by ourselves. We need to stop this raft before we reach the dam. Luckily, we latched on to another group of tubers who brought us to safety. We had a great time going on the raft in the Boise River, and my mom fell out because we hit a branch. And it was so funny. Now we're at the Knudsen Nature Center. And it's so hot today that this Calm Life mini handheld fan will come in handy. A capagoo! This place offers a one-of-a-kind fish and wildlife experience on a 4.6-acre site along the Boise River Greenbelt. Which way, brother? Brother is cooling himself in this heat. You can purchase your own handheld fan in the link in the description. We have reached the Nature Center. Brother is doing a scavenger hunt. I'm gonna feed Brother Stuffy to the snake. Let's enter the Pioneer log cabin. Lastly, Brother is creating some art by etching. We had so much fun at the Knudsen Nature Center. We're gonna go check out Chip Cookies. This is the original gourmet cookie delivery company. We placed our order for 1 6-ounce cookies to be shipped to our hotel room later tonight. Now we're having dinner at 4. This restaurant offers American cuisine inspired from the Great Northwest region, made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Come on, brother, I'm getting hungry. There is a kid-friendly menu and coloring books for us while we wait for the food. We're starting off with an appetizer, asparagus fry. Yummy! The asparagus was really yummy, and the batter makes it extra crunchy and extra texture. And it has good spice in it. Brother gives it his signature thumbs up. Here comes our entrees. I'm eating a bam sandwich with just bacon, avocado, and mozzarella cheese. And my brother is having pasta and meatballs. The bacon, avocado, and mozzarella is a great combination, and the bread is very crispy. So it's a great sandwich. Now, bacon. I hope there's potatoes inside. I'm going to sample some rainbow trout from my dad's plate. Lastly, it's time for dessert. We're having the signature warm butter cake, and brother ordered chocolate ice cream. There's a waterfall on the ice cream. The cake is very, very warm, and the ice cream is cold. Warm and cold go together. Sauce tastes delicious. Is it like raspberry or something? The whole cake itself, very good. We had a delicious time at 4. Our last stop is the Freak Alley Gallery. This is Northwest's largest open-air multi-artist mural gallery. Come on, Blogineers, let's go look at some art. I didn't know Boise's so hip. Hey, it's Timmy Turtlehead. Let's see what else is around. Ah, creepy me. Established in 2002, the alley has blossomed into a true work of art with hundreds of participants that create works of art throughout the year. Do you consider graffiti art? Let us know in the comments below! Brother's making a dragon with his little fingers. There are many more works of art, including the Minion and the number 2 pencil. This one's like, and this one's like, we had so much fun at the Freak Alley Gallery. We're back to the Grove Hotel. Let's check on the status of our chip cookies. You can track the delivery person on your smartphone. We just got an alert saying our cookies are arriving now.
Hello, cookies for you. They're quite heavy. Here you go.
Let me show you the cookies. This is the size of a cookie, and as you can see, it is pretty much bigger than my hand. And now I'm gonna take a bite. Dip in the milk. Tear a piece and dip in the milk. The cookie is very crispy on the outside and the inside soft and very sweet. Very tasty. Milky. Stay tuned for part 4. Hello Blogineers, today we're unboxing the Calm Life USB table fan and the mini handheld fan. We have a cable and batteries, an instruction booklet, and a fan. And you can clamp it onto something. Hello, my name is Fan, and I'll eat you up. I'm going to open this little fan. Okay, so this is like a little cable, and then here's a little fan, and here's battery. Now I'm going to show you how this works. So you can turn this, and you just turn it on like that. I'll blow your house away. And Brother's going to demonstrate how the handheld one works. Okay, so first you press this to turn it on, and then you press it. One.